Hey guys, it's Felicia over at Witt and Crivitz bringing you the car deal of the day. Today I have the new look on the 2023 Ford Escape. This exact vehicle is going to be in the ST line edition. Why don't you follow along and I'll show you all about the new 23 Escape. What makes the 23 Escape so wonderful? Well, let's find out. Starting with the driver's seat. Does your better half ever drive your vehicle and not move your seat back to where you have it? No worries, the Ford Escape ST line does have memory seating for the driver. Both passenger and driver are going to have heated seats. The driver is going to have a heated steering wheel. You will have dual climate with your passenger, so if you're hotter or colder than them, no worries on that front. With the ST, you will get this beautiful red stitching on all seats and the steering wheel. Looking at the steering wheel, as you can see here, you do have adaptive cruise control. You will have lane keeping as well. The vehicle does have pre-collision assist and blind spot monitoring. Now this Escape will come with a 2.0 engine and it is all-wheel drive. Enjoy the digital cluster on the 23 Escape. New to 23 Escapes is the bigger screen for the radio. On the radio, you will have navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. You'll also have Sirius XM free for up to 3 months. It is going to be a push to start. Just have the key anywhere on you and you will be able to start your vehicle. This vehicle is a brand new vehicle located here at Witt and Crivitz. It will have our lifetime powertrain warranty for as long as you own the vehicle. This vehicle also does have a tow package on it as well. Enjoy a backup camera that you can see all around the vehicle with the 360 camera. No more running into anything on the side or behind you, as it does have backup sensors as well and will set off an alarm when you're close to something. Now, if this Escape is something you are interested in, again, it is at our Witt Crivitz location. My name is Felicia. I'd be more than happy to help you out get into your new Escape. Just remember, it is going to have full factory warranties as well. Again, we are home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Give me a call, Felicia, today at 715-854-7404. Thanks.